In this video, I'm going to explain how compassion and forgiveness are working at the energetical level, why it's never about the other, and how you can use it for your self-improvement, self-development. I've probably encountered the word compassion around 15 years old. I could understand the value, the moral value of being a compassionate person. Same for forgiveness. I could understand that, okay, try to forgive the other. I could never forgive the other, There was so much pride inside me, it never worked. And I also this challenge about being very rational. And if I could not make sense about something, how something worked, I was not doing it, So when people said to me like, oh, do it, it's good for you. If I don't understand why it's good for me, I'm not doing it. But now I understood how it works at the energetical level. That's why I would like to share that with you. To move an energy is the same as moving an object. You have to use a direction and a force. If you want to move an egg, you're not going to have to apply the same force than if you want to move an elephant. And it's the same with emotion. Emotion are just energy. And a negative emotion will be moved with a positive emotion. And there's some emotions that are easier to move than others. That, for example, when you have an emotion that you carry since childhood, big sadness, to make it move and transform, you're going to have to come with an opposite positive force, as strong, not even stronger, in order to make it transform. And it's where compassion and forgiveness are getting in the game, because they are both two types of love with a very, very high frequencies. From my experience, let's say, forgiveness have the highest vibration, but it's maybe the way I use it. So maybe I'm better forgiving than being compassionate. Who knows? And to make a movement in the negative emotion, you're gonna have to hold it inside you at the same time that you're gonna connect compassion or forgiveness, because those two emotions have to be in contact and connect with each other in order to create something different. Otherwise, it's kind of like trying to make a pancake with like eggs on the side and the flour on the other. It's not gonna work. You're not gonna have anything. Both feelings have to be held at the same time inside yourself. When you connect with the pain that have been created by someone else, what you forgive is not the other. What you forgive is your own feeling of feeling hurt by the other. It's not about, don't try to forgive the other. It's very hard, but forgive yourself because you care for yourself. So you forgive yourself to feel so hurt. And it's where forgiveness or compassion can touch this pain and transform it. It's gonna be easier for some people to do it than for others, but it's like everything. Art is a muscle, and if you train a bit, you make some effort, you're gonna have some rewards. And it's really worth, because at the end, that's gonna ease your evolution process and make your life easier. So really give it a try. I hope you did find this information useful, and please try it at home and let me know how it goes. And if you want more tips, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.